Boom. So today I'm gonna talk about a footage I had from my DJI Mavic Mini combo. This little thing took few decent for me shots. I want to try and use again for one more time the clone tool on Lightroom. The reason is just because I have one lovely pic and I don't like people in my pics. I love portraits and stuff, but when it comes to, landscape and aerial photography, I don't know. I'm not into people, people, dogs, whatever. I have my Lightroom open. I will show you basically the before and after, of course, and the process. So yeah, let's dive into my iMac. What I've used here was these two, which is brush, clone, or heal. So as with this one, it's self-explanatory. Yeah, size with the first one, feather and opacity. So with this one, as you can see, this one to come from this side, 0.1, let's say, to 0.2. So this lady there is not there anymore, and I did the same with that, and I just find out that by doing that, what's that? Yeah, was kind of, you can see basically it's not the best, but again, you can see I just put some more leaves from here and there. I mean, just change a little bit the color, as you can see also. So the main reason why I didn't edit the photo is just because I edited before and I deleted the raw file. Raw file, I mean the file that I shoot. Oh yeah, that's it. So if you're still here, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and be awesome. Above me. Yeah, so it's still completely different flying this one or Mini 2, combo Mini 2, which I didn't want to give that much of money. Yeah. So yeah, as I said, normally when you're editing something either on Photoshop or Lightroom, has to be PNG, but not JPEG. I mean, you have to shoot RAW. Mini 2 has RAW option if you're interested to invest your money there. Maybe, not maybe, in the future, once I learn how to shoot like a pro with that. So that's the last part of the video. That's the last part. After I'm gonna do the second, but anyway, it's and stuff. But when it comes to, landscape and aerial photography, I don't know. I'm not into people, you know. People don't. I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't know. I just lost it. What am I doing today? Going to edit this video. I will be so confused because I will totally forget what was the reason. I'm just standing here and talking in front of the camera like a crazy person.